Atremo NSA se wobi ebe use social media na wodi gu obi hu fian eya ye ntwen wate etiefo ye wa ha sei ena Kennedy Japan use ne platform use other platforms egu anas eni kweku ba ko hu fin me ma moti ase se ensem wa Kennedy Japan kan efa anas ni kweku ba ko hu na especially kweku ba ko Kennedy Japan didn't provide any proof. But still, Ghanaians encourage say Kennedy Japan engu anas eni kweku ba ko hu fin. Enu hunti anas e de Kennedy Japan e court. Kweku ba ko nso bono nso e de Kennedy Japan e court separately because Kennedy Japan egu omu nia wo mu hu fin. Na 2018 and asem ne court and then 2 years on ruling aba na court etrese ne kre ensemo a Kennedy Japan wo kafa kweku ba ko a wo ye anas boss hu nyina no eyen nsemo a sebi enimu eyen tro because Kennedy Japan ye de no court wontumi improve se ensemo a na wo kafa eye kweku ba ko ene anas no wontumi improve wo court amende amene o ka se ye nde ruling aba kweku ba ko ewini court case defamatory and a defamation suitor ye de bo Kennedy Japan no kweku ba ko we wini. That is the breaking news coming through right now. And you guys remember I told you, I've been telling you guys this thing. You can't see your melody so the way. You see, it is very simple. And someone Kennedy Japan kafa kweku ba ko hu ni na eye simple. Eye ne kra Kennedy Japan was present e wo court no nanka Kennedy Japan be wini court case. Now it is as simple as that. Send your can here and the kweku ba ko ye evil kweku ba ko evil wo begu MPP kweku ba ko ne anas wo mo ye galamsey and wo be share pictures of ensase bia asay a wo kan say e kweku ba ko ne anas na asay sansase no sensem na ye ne kra ye de Kennedy Japan court no nko be provide proof na judge no ahwe ehun say okay asem a wo kan fa kweku ba ko ho no ye ne kra and there kweku ba ko win court case no ama yama Kennedy Japan 30 days a year ultimatum 30-day ultimatum so one retract asemo a wakan fa kweku ba ko ho 3 times our platforms now we ko use ye was say kweku ba ko din no a year Adom TV em say Ken City Media so then Sunday 2 ne oman no em say honso wakan bi Iti baby a wojina say kweku ba ko din bia court ama Kennedy Japan 30 days. Just 30 days no. One bra bonten embe apologize. Encounter kweku ba ko say kweku ba ko me sorry. Nsemo a me kan fa wo hu ni na say enya ne kre because isi a ruling aba. Court ruling aba. E tre say asemo a wo kan fa kweku ba ko ho no. Ye de wo court no. We ntumi improve. Na tre say enya ne kre. You see the thing I've been telling you guys. You can't say, oh, they won't pick Kennedy Japan wasem. You can't say, oh, they won't pick Kennedy Japan wasem. And that's why I'm picking Kennedy Japan wasem. But I keep telling you, say, Sanyama now, what they best say in Crawford, didn't you say evidence, no? Yet the courts near Cassie, Gina Sadian so as evidence. And Yamani, dear, a bimo, as often bimo, dear, Medin can tremo. Say, as often bimo, in Yama, Wabeka, a two or mosono. Yes. And dear, with me providing evidence, my yen na you. But we shock kweku ba ko ene anas galamsey and someone what they to wo so efre wo evil no san someone what kan to wo nia wo so no when to me improve your court and it's as simple as that. Kennedy Japan aye bon nsembra ne wono de wo be investigation wono de wo be investigation aba be prove no he couldn't prove in court. Ama court ama no say 30 days 3 times on use the platform no mpa eye kweku ba ko chow. Is this same thing and anas nso ene kweku Kennedy Japan akọ and nso ye different eye ensemo a ebeba. And nso ye different ensemo a ebeba. Court ashe say after that no Kennedy Japan won sansun chia 100,000 Ghana cedis ema kweku ba ko eye old 1 billion meaning say 1 billion den ye sika bia ema Kennedy Japan. But me gidi say 1 billion no nanka at least send ya Kennedy Japan wo ya adoye no nanka wo de ma nkrofo a yemfa ne se nkrofo 10 na wo ma wo bia 1,000 cedis kra na ko betumi ama nkrofo be 100 What you say? One 1,000 cities na ko betumi ama nkrofo be 100,000 sebe ebi mo kra na ebe sesa wo mo shebre because obi bibia wo gina no 1,000 cities per enope. Inti yes e wom say sa 1 billion na yes Kennedy Japan won tia ma Kwaku Baako na bia wo bi ti na echi yes kama no but to Kennedy Japan na enye sika but nanka sika no enye sika mo but sisia na yes chia e ma Kwaku Baako free just because you use your platform and said things ana enye ne kre efa Kwaku Baako ho. After that no yes on Samsung chia cost of 30,000 Ghana cedis 300 million and Samsung peso Jessica Wotia in total 130,000 Ghana cedis. The way Kennedy Japan was a businessman no me did say one ankasa what 130,000 Ghana cedis so they make Kwaku Baako free just because wakwa could dia tema na wakwa ko kan sem bia fa Kwaku Baako ho a and the court hu ne sensem Kennedy Japan kan na enye ne kre me sure so no Kennedy Japan kan na be ne ya even though enye sike bia but e be ne ya ye wi ayese won san so apologize na ne ye hwe nim the way Kennedy Japanese we sure so be ba bonti abe apologize akatre Kwaku Baako say Kwaku Baako me sorry nsem a me ka fa ho no say enye ne kre. I mean we all know Kennedy Japan say nyankofo gini di no nim so be kasa people ebia ohun say ebia wo be kasa ebia people will see say oh Ken na tre say ebia nsem a wo keka fa nkrofo hu ni na ebia na no so nya ne kre. And I keep telling you on this platform me say nyama we ni na me blame Kennedy Japan yen Ghana fo na me blame sanka Kennedy Japan ebe kasa fa nkrofo ho na won provide proof asema waka fa NDC asema waka fa Joseph Yamin so wo makoye meeting abo mo pese wo mu kunkum nkrofo proof ben or the buy but we've all believed it Yamin e de no court na ka wo be kan na ka kan oh Ken wo de yen ji undi wo de fa proof brands na ka wo hu ni say yes wo the proof ba me hu ni say we de ye na kre. But me mama tia say the way we hold people on certain things no we don't hold Kennedy Japan that same way. And then me ya no and then me ya Ghana for nkrofo ka say o de ya na wo kan Kennedy Japan as but you follow me on this channel unim say Kennedy Japan so when you bibi pa meka you know o expose wo bi ni mo e the evidence by me betina ha say e kan say ne kra we de Kennedy Japan prove it so you know. So you can't come here and say oh who the dey out time no that be who follow me channel him say nye dey bia na me time no. When he does something and says something about someone and doesn't provide proof, that is when I come out and speak against what Kennedy Japan is doing. Because Ghana there send ya me din kan kira wo no ebi mo wo mutrim as far as the thing is coming from Kennedy Japan it is 100% truth. But I can give you instances at Kennedy Japan na kan sem bebre as an sem bebre na waka no later obekwa ko yen hwehwe mu no na asem na nya ne kre endra me the story be bremo Kennedy Japan beka say Stand Ogbe ene Mahama and na ye responsible for JB Dankwa wo no some people believed it and echi a Kennedy Japan ko tena 2018 na Kennedy Japan ka say asem no and echi Kennedy Japan e ko tena good evening no 2019 eno ka say Mahama ne Stand Ogbe ena JB Dankwa wo no de share wo mo endrechi ya endrechi ya good evening Ghana wo ko ho no wasesa na no se eye sisia na eye Madina no ofi se eye Mahama ene Stand Ogbe sisia we hu se enye omo na sisia eye Madina Madina for NDC MPB ono ena trese ne nsa sha ase ena mi se wa ahe but ebia 2019 dia na wo kan ye no obi atie o ena ne bako na fa ebia new one na work e wo Metro TV no ebia wo bi ntie anso wa yetina ha sei ena Kennedy Japan be ka se MPP National Youth Organizer Nana B oye mi ankasa mi senior man Kennedy Japan ka se Nana B ye galam se me ba bonte be ka se Kennedy Japan we di enya ne kre nkofo ka se oh Kennedy Japan na e kasa mo nka later Nana B ko hu Kennedy Japan no ena Kennedy Japan san so ba radio so be ka se ane me betina radio so ka se Nana B ye galam se oyobi no the information ni ma me na nipa ko ni twa mentro but embra Kennedy Japan ka se Nana B ye galam se no Kennedy Japan wan ka se obi na abre ne sa information no what kan no e wo ne kokoso say na bi ye galamsey te say de why investigation on nankasa akwa hu later na bi be prove say nya ne kra ansa na kan Japan be ka say obi na be twa ho ntro kire me na bi kra say won nya galamsey. I brought you that story. And so Kennedy Japan ebetina na 2 e kan say eye Okuja to Ablakwa one ne yere Okuja to Ablakwa e ma ne yere e go fasa emra get fund scholarship buy no o si Okuja to Ablakwa obebo wo ban din say Mercy Ablakwa because Kennedy Japan ko hu Leicester ya tro wo ba bi din Mercy Ablakwa nto say Okuja to Ablakwa yere no e na tre say scholarship ya mano ya betina ha I googled Okuja to Ablakwa ne yiri din ehun say Okuja to Ablakwa kan ne yiri no wo ye nordna ye friend Mercy sa Mercy Ablakwa ne kra wo nyi Okuja to bibia wo asem no enende Kweku ba ko de a Kennedy Japan be kan ye a ye de asem no akọ sisi a won de court de aba court say nsem a Kennedy Japan ka fa Kweku ba ko hu ni na no ntro. And these were the same things that Kennedy Japan kafa announce one what they say announce din. Only announce there no eguso e wo court. Embra Kennedy Japan we kan anya announce there pen okan yo. Wo kan Kweku ba ko de esan so kan announce there. Nti Kweku ba ko de ne court. Say hey, wa kan we afa me ho. Ba nsem a wo kan fa Kweku ba ko no san so no kan fa announce. Announce so ka say ha ene me so me de wo be ko. Kweku ba ko de no ruling aba. Say nsem a wo kan fa Kweku ba ko ho no. And then they're still at court, so we will not make any comment on it. But any who say Kennedy Japan be kasafa announce on ye way no say in some way can fa announce on because it's very simple. Me Mrs. will be kasafa will be home. Now some no ekoko PM wo court and then ma manage. Because if Kennedy Japan wa can some as say will be din. Now some na kwa PM wo court that is when Kennedy Japan will show say indeed he has evidence. Say me waka what they gain Crawford no that is when he will show say yes we to me they gain Crawford but Kweku ba ko a wo say what they gain na hu in some afa ne ho no ye de court says in some a wo kan ya say when to me provide evidence bia say nya ne kre nti ade da ono no mo ntra mo adwo comment box me tie for me da say